Hello everyone and welcome to Cibertips. In today's video, we are going to talk about what the deep web is in cybersecurity. Get ready to dive into the hidden layers of the internet, where secrets live, crooks lurk, and everything you think you know might just be the tip of the iceberg. You're not going to show your face? Neither am I, just compelling narration and visuals, powered by a eye that keep you glued to the screen. And here's the deal. If you want to stay ahead in this digital cat and mouse game, make sure you hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and drop a like. That's how you support Cibertips and get notified every time we uncover another hidden danger online. Picture a vast network beneath the familiar surface of Google searches and sleek websites, the deep web. It's not dark or evil by default, but it's mysterious. You won't find it by typing queries into Reddit or hiding behind incognito mode. Many think deep web means the same as dark web, but that's only a small, risky corner. The deep web is everything online that's unindexed. Private databases, internal company pages, academic journals, even your own bank account page. These places are hidden by design, but not by flaw. What makes it intriguing, and yes, potentially dangerous, is that among all those private pages lies the dark web. That's where hackers trade stolen data, malware sells like hotcakes, and illegal services flourish behind encryption and anonymity tools like Tor. That's where the real intrigue begins. Why should you, a regular user or cybersecurity enthusiast, care? Because threats emerging from these hidden layers can affect you directly. Data brokers strip personal info from breaches and dump it in chop shops on the dark web. Credit card numbers, credentials, even private photos appear for sale. Attackers mine that to craft targeted spear phishing. You might ignore some sites, but crooks never do. Now let's break it down. The internet is like an iceberg. The small triangle above water is the surface web, what you see. Underneath is the deep web, maybe 90% of all content. That includes paywalled academic research, private medical records, subscription news articles, government documents behind login walls. None of these are nefarious, but they do share the same underlying tech that hides the dark stuff too. The dark web is a subset of the deep web. You need special tools, like the Tor browser, to reach it. Tor obscures your origin, bounces your connection through layers of servers worldwide, and tricks websites into believing you're someone or somewhere else. That anonymization gives malicious actors room to operate, but it also gives whistleblowers and dissidents a safer space to speak out. The same technology powers both sides. Now, how do cybercriminals exploit this? First, they breach a company or online service. They extract user credentials, credit cards, medical data. Then they stash that loot in hidden, encrypted marketplaces. Buyers bid in cryptocurrency. Soon, someone uses your stolen password on another site because you reused it. A chain reaction begins. Even worse are malware as a service platforms on the dark web. Imagine a subscription service that sells ransomware kits or phishing frameworks with help desks, tutorials, and payment processing. That's happening right now. It's like SaaS for criminals. They don't need skill, they rent it. And they hire money mules to cash out. You might think, this can't touch me. But it can. You've likely had your data leaked already. Maybe you signed up to a free site years ago. Maybe a famous company you trust got breached recently. And once credentials leak, your identity and finances get shuffled in underground marketplaces. When that happens, you start seeing phishing attempts tailored to you. Personalized email scams, fake invoices, fraud alerts. That's all coming from the shadow pipeline of deep web data. It's not just individuals at risk. Small businesses are prime targets. Attackers monitor dark web chatter, looking for companies to breach. They build malware campaigns, deploy them via phishing, and once inside, ransom the entire network. They know even smaller outfits often lack strong defenses, relying on outdated software or single-factor logins. That's low-hanging fruit, but it's not hopeless. Deep knowledge is the first defense. Knowing your email and password may already be public is powerful, because if your credentials show up on monitoring sites, you can reset before attackers strike. Use password managers and unique credentials everywhere. Enable MFA, keep software patched. Educate yourself about phishing tactics. Even smart-looking emails can fool you. On the business side, security teams run dark web monitoring services. They track mentions of their domains or employee emails. When something appears for sale, they take action. Block compromised credentials, enforce password resets, revoke exposed tokens, scrutinize logs for unusual access. Many breaches start with small leaks. Attackers watch and wait until they find gaps. Tor itself isn't evil, but criminals use it to hide. Security researchers use it to identify threats. That cat and mouse dynamic raises stakes. Law enforcement raids hidden markets. Takedowns happen, but new ones pop up like Hydra heads. Study shows when one marketplace is taken down, two more emerge. The ecosystem adapts, but friction may slow attackers down. So what do you take from all this? The deep web isn't a monster under your bed, but it's the background environment in which digital threats breed. It's a marketplace, a resource pool, a blind spot, and sometimes a battlefield. Being aware means staying ahead. Monitoring your own data, using strong authentication, limiting exposure, all that matters. Every time you use Tor to visit a charity hidden site, every time you watch this video to stay informed, you chip away at the advantage attackers try to grab. Each proactive step makes you stronger. And as a cybersecurity content creator, that mission empowering you makes Cibertips more than a channel. It becomes a community. So if you're still watching, and you value staying safe in a world that's darker than many realize, drop a like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs to see it. Together, we light up hidden corners of the web, one tip at a time. Think ahead. What subscriptions do you hide behind password walls? When was the last time you changed them? Could your info be for sale someplace you've never heard of? That's the kind of question that keeps attackers up at night and should keep you sharp too. Thanks for watching Cibertips. We'll be releasing more videos on Tor security, VPN myths, dark web monitoring, and more. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and remember, knowledge is your best firewall.